Considering a switch from Rogers to Bell for your internet service? Here's a breakdown of the process. As of late 2025, switching is generally straightforward, especially in urban areas. Recent CRTC regulations mandate easier service portability, allowing you to transfer your internet account within 24 to 48 hours. Bell's expanding Pure Fiber network offers impressive speeds, up to 8 gigabytes in select areas, making it an attractive alternative. You can start the process through online portals or apps. Be aware that Rogers might impose early termination fees if you're still under contract. Bell often provides a switch kit to guide you through the transition, including self-install options with modem delivery in just 1 to 2 days. While most switches go smoothly, some users have reported service disruptions during peak hours due to network congestion, so consider this potential hiccup. The switch begins with canceling your Rogers service. The wireless code extended to internet services caps early termination fees at 25% of your remaining monthly fees and requires a 30-day notice period. Next, install Bell's service. Bell offers Bell Install Pro for professional installation or a DIY app-guided setup. Choose based on your comfort level. Finally, transfer your data and settings. Back up your devices, update your router, and test speeds after the switch using tools like Ookla. Time cancellation to align with billing cycles to avoid double billing. As a bonus, Bell often waives setup fees for Rogers customers. CRTC rules allow automatic transfer of static IP addresses and bundled services. Use comparison tools like WhistleOut to quantify savings.